Hey everybody, this is Grace from SufficientAcres.com, and today my daughter Mary and I are going to show you how to whip up a batch of mayonnaise. So we start out with a fresh egg, and we're using a pint-sized wide mouth jar, and that's what I use for a single batch. When I make a double batch, I just use a quart-sized wide mouth jar. So we have one egg, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And then the last thing we're putting in is a cup of avocado oil. Any tasteless oil will do. And then the only thing left to do is take it over to the stick blender, and we're going to mix it up, and that's how quick it is to make mayonnaise. So you just make sure that the blender is right over the egg in the bottom, and we start on low and pulse it a few times. Okay, hold it down.